Ang susunod na programa ay rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood.
Huwag mong naising lisanin kita, wala kong hangaring ika'y mag-isa. San man abutin ng paglalakbay, ikaw at ako'y magkasamang ganap, ipahintulot nawa ng Panginoon. Ikamataya'y maglalaho at bayan mo.
Justice has always been one of the core values that Filipinos have embraced, even before the American period.
Standing here in front of one of the most significant exemplifications of justice, the Bonifacio Monument, lies a seemingly ordinary structure.
Saint Joseph the Worker, an advocate of truth.
Human dignity
And justice.
Pagkus sa kanilang loob, tandaan po ng pagtanggap namin sa kanila, pagkatapos mo siyang kusang sa loob, susunod ang mga magulang, kanino at aming kapatanan. O San Jose, sa iyo na nanalangin, ang samo namin sa iyo nawa'y dinggin. Agayin mo kami, ang bayan mong napangarap. Gabayan mo po ang aming pagsisikap, upang kaming lahat maging karapat-dapat kay Jesus, yung sinisitang anak. Agayin mo kami, ang bayan mong napangarap. Gabayan mo po ang aming pagsisikap, upang kaming lahat maging karapat-dapat kay Jesus, yung sinisitang anak. Kay Jesus, yung sinisitang anak.
When you get a McDonald's Happy Meal, a portion goes to the Ronald McDonald House Charities.
Agayin mo kami, ang bayan mong napangarap.
One decree started it all. September 16 of 1959, when the Archbishop of Manila, His Eminence Rufino Santos D.D., who happened to be the first Filipino cardinal, spearheaded the decree that paved the way to the formation of a new parish, the parish of Saint Joseph de Balintawak, which later became well known as Parish of Saint Joseph the Worker. In the span of 50 graceful years, with the help of its parish priests, as well as the active parishioners, the parish has already built 4 chapels: the San Roque Chapel, the Santo Niño Chapel, Our Lady of Fatima Chapel, and the Teacher's Bliss Chapel. As of today, The parish offers various church services for the betterment of the community. They offer catechesis, pre-cana, funeral blessings, novena, and devotion. They also administer sacraments and provide social services such as medical and dental missions to poor communities.
Justice, treating each one equally, and morally, giving them what is right, and especially taking care of their dignity there, so that they could always be competent and would develop their own way of living. Very much connected din sa call natin to live in peace and in love. Although love is greater than justice. Because justice is in itself, you treat each one equally. To be just is to be equal. Rightfully, treating others according to their dignity. Always taking care of that person so that when he leaves the parish, he would realize that this is my parish, I belong to this parish, and I have been taken care of by this parish. I as parish priest would like that atmosphere. Because most of the time, our church, most of the time, nagkaroon na rin ng pagkakamali ng simbahan natin, ang ating pananampalataya. And some of the faith din ng ibang tao na it's more of a exclusive fraternity, exclusive membership, to the point that if you are not with us, you are not equal with us. And be careful with that faith. Our church move is all of us are equal. All of us have a dignity with God. We are sons of our God. So we will make them feel that we belong. You will be saved later on in your own journey and in your own experience. So practicing that in a simple way is to not be discriminate in your own way. Mahirap lalo pag nasa high school din asaran, barkada, fan club, kanya-kanyang trip, kanya-kanyang inom, kanya-kanyang gimmick, kanya-kanyang high school But, dear friend, you must find a way to be of equal footing with one another. You will have different experiences, but you have gifts of your own that will somehow, sana, make you one. Because justice is another key for a community to be stable and one. Justice is also a facet of unity. So without justice in a particular community, chaos will follow.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ito po si Archbishop Chito Tagle ng Manila. Inaanyayahan ko kayong magkape at pandasal. Pagdasalan po natin, manalangin ng taimtim. Kapag mahalaga sa atin ang isang gawain, taimtim at tutok tayo. Ang tagagawa ng tinapay dapat mulat sa timbang ng harina, dami ng asukal at oras ng pagpapaalsa ng minasa. Ang electrician, tahimik na sinusundan ang mga kable at wires para maiwasan ang aksidente ng sunog. Ang gustong pumasa sa board o bar exam, nagkukulong pa nga ng ilang buwan para hindi maagaw ang atensyon at oras ng iba pang bagay. Marunong naman pala tayong maging taimtim. Sana gamitin iyon sa pananalangin at pakikiugnay sa Diyos. Kung ang kaharap ay ang lumikha ng langit at lupa, ang tagapagligtas natin, ang hantungan ng buhay natin, bakit hahayaan nating lumipad ang ating diwa, isip, loob at kaluluwa? Naiinis nga tayo kapag may kausap tayong hindi lubos na nakikinig. Bakit natin ginagawa sa Diyos? Ang taimtim na makipag-ugnay sa Diyos, natututunan din maging taos ang pakikiugnay sa kapwa-tao. Kaya hilingin natin, O Ama, turuan mo kaming makapanalangin ng taimtim. Amen.
Dearest Lord, ang kamay at magdiwang awit ng sigla, ibaling sa kalangitan, purihin ang Diyos ng buhay, tayo'y kanyang mahal.
We all know what justice means, the typical definition which explains fairness and equality. But our group is glad to know that aside from being fair and equal, there is love in it. It is giving what is due to others and doing it for them wholeheartedly, and not just because we are told to do so. We learned in this experience so many things that we have never known of before. Being with the children, we remember the times that we were also taught by our teachers before about the values we needed to inculcate in our lives. We remember the times our teachers share their time just to be able to give what is the needed teaching for us. With that, we realized that justice comes in it. We taught the children, sharing them our time and knowledge, hence giving them new information too, for them to also share it to others. That is what justice means to us now. Justice is what we share to others. It is what we give to others, for we love and care. For we want them to have what is really for them. We realized that we still didn't know that much the meaning of justice until we already did it to others. We learned so many things in this experience, and we hope we were able to make the children learn also many things from that experience. Being just to others gives a happiness and fulfillment that cannot be taken away from you. So now, we learn to always grab the chance to be just and to be able to show our love for our fellow men.